If you're ready to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level, these top 3 best 4K drones are here to help. Whether you're a professional photographer or simply an enthusiast looking to capture stunning moments from the sky, these drones offer remarkable features and capabilities that will enhance your experience. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Ruko U11 Pro drone with 4K UHD camera. This is not just a high-quality flying camera, it's also FAA-compliant, ensuring you can fly it without restrictions. Capture breathtaking 4K videos and photos in various scenic locations, from sunrises to beach days. Equipped with an upgraded remote controller, GPS auto-return, and 2 batteries for extended flight time, this drone guarantees safe and enjoyable flying experiences. Its elegant, compact design and sleek black lens make it a stylish choice for both beginners and experts. Plus, Ruko offers a generous warranty to ensure your peace of mind. Number 2 is Bwine F7GB2 drones with 4K camera. For those who demand cinematic excellence, the Bwine F7GB2 drone delivers. Its 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 5x digital zoom provide unrivaled video and photo quality. With a flight time of up to 50 minutes, you can capture all your creative shots without interruption. Even in windy conditions, this drone offers a quiet and stable flight experience, allowing you to focus on your filming. Boasting an impressive 3cam video transmission range, GPS-assisted features like auto-return, follow me, and waypoints make this drone a filmmaking powerhouse. Number 3 is Veeniix V11 Mini Drone. This mini drone combines portability and performance effortlessly. Weighing under 249 grams and foldable, it's FAA exempt, meaning you can take off without registration hassles. The drone's 4K UHD camera, brushless motors, and intelligent GPS features make it a user-friendly choice for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Enjoy 4K photography and video, easy takeoff and landing, and stable flight both indoors and outdoors. With a 60-minute flight time and dual batteries, you can explore and capture more during each thrilling adventure.